Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So if you guys fix any of the iPhones or iPads or iPods and then your screen doesn't want to stay on or stick to the frame, you guys want to go ahead and get this clear RTV silicone adhesive and then sealant. I got this out of the 99-cent store, okay? And you want to use a Q-tip and then just put some of them on the Q-tips and just tap around the edges. Be sure to remove the double-sided sticky tape. I remove the whole thing all around the frame, okay, before you put this clear silicone adhesive on there. And after that, you could put like a heavy box on top of it or something like that. But since this iPad was bent, so I had to use a paper clip or the binder's clip all around it. And I'm going to show you that the home button is working, except the fingerprint scanner. I have to ask the customer to reset it, and hopefully that's going to work. If not, then that's the only thing that I could do, because most of the time the Apple disabled the fingerprint scanner if you put a new screen on there. Alright, so this is just a quick tutorial and show you guys the tips on how to glue down your display if the 3M tape that comes with your screen does not stick pretty well. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.